G'day guys, we've got an applications of calculus question here today where we've been asked at what rate is the area of an equilateral triangle increasing when each side is of length 20 centimeters and each side is increasing at a rate of 0.2 centimeters per second. Okay, so basically what we have here is we've got like a related rates sort of style question where we've been asked to find what the rate of change of area is of the triangle with respect to the rate of change of time. Now what we do with the question like this is we use the chain rule to find two other related rates that we can find the product of, which will give us dA dt. So what we can use is we could use dA, I'll call this dx, where x is the side length of the equilateral triangle, times dx dt. Now this here is the rate at which the side length is increasing, which they actually give you in the question. So first of all, let's just work out what the area of an equilateral triangle is. So the area of an equilateral triangle is equal to square root 3 over 4 times the side length squared. Cool, so that's just a area formula for an equilateral triangle when we have the side length. So basically what we then have to do is we have to work out what dA dx is. So that's going to be square root 3 over 2 times x. That's because I've taken the 2 and cancelled out with like one of the factors of 4 and reduced that to 1, and that's how we have it. So basically what we can do here is we can substitute this into our related rate. So we could say that the rate of change of area with respect to time is going to be equal to the square root 3 over 2 times the side length, and we're going to multiply all of that by dx dt, which is simply 0.2. Now, this side length here, it says the side length is 20, so we can substitute that in. We have square root 3 over 2 times 20 times 0.2. So this is now 20 over 2 is 10 root 3 times 0.2, and we have 2 square root 3 centimeters squared per second. Cool. So that is our final answer. So this was a nice, quick and easy one. So what we had to do, guys, is we have to find the related rates, which when multiplied together will give us the rate that we're looking for. Just a little bit of a side note, when a question says rate, it's usually in terms of time. So it'll be d something dt. So basically, once you've done that, we know what the, we can relate the area of an equilateral triangle to the side length, which is what we did here. And we can relate the side length to time using this piece here. So once we've done those, we can multiply them together. The dx's cancel and we get dA dt. That's how the chain rule works. So I hope this little video helped, guys. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. But until then, just make sure you keep enjoying your maths, eh? See you next time.